Hey, all you amazing young artists out there. Get ready to embark on a wild and wacky art adventure with us here at Easy Peasy Art. Today we've got a turkey-tastic drawing project that's going to make you gobble with excitement. It's our funny turkey picture in a super-duper photo frame. But hey, hold on to your crayons because this isn't just any drawing. It's the ultimate Thanksgiving gift that'll have your friends and family laughing till their feathers ruffle. Now picture this. We kick things off by sketching a rectangular photo frame. And we give it an inner border. That's your canvas. Now, brace yourselves for the fun part. We're about to bring our turkey to life. Start by sketching two mega-sized goofy eyes, squished together like they just heard the funniest turkey joke ever. And what's this? Add some hair strands on top that are standing up in shock and awe. Our turkey can't believe the hilarity going on here. Next up, pop a tiny beak right in the middle. And don't forget that snoot on the side. That's the turkey's secret weapon of quirkiness. Now, onto the turkey's face. It's a wacky, oblong shape with round edges. Connect that to a long neck. And give it a body with its feather details. This turkey's got personality. But here's where the real craziness begins. Sprout classic turkey feathers all over your canvas, as if they're crashing the turkey party from every angle. Now let's dive into the world of color. Make that face a warm, rich brown. Our turkey's got style. Those feathers? Oh, they're rocking the warmest shades of red. And that tail? Well, it's a whole buffet of browns. Lights, darks, warms, you name it. To make our turkey really stand out, paint the background a solid, vibrant fall orange. It's like the turkey's standing in a pumpkin patch. And there you have it. Our fantastically funny turkey masterpiece is complete. But before we go, don't forget to give that like button a high five and hit the subscribe button for more art adventures coming your way. Thanks for being part of our creative family. And remember, stay inspired and keep creating. Until next time, young artists, gobble on.